farm. As you can see, come with me and show you. It's so good, and I love nature. As you can see, yeah, good. The water is good. You can see we have now it's harvesting season for beans. As you can see, at our place you can harvest twice a year, so this is the second time we are harvesting beans. Yeah, so we are going to carry this farm. The second part is yet to be ready, so we are expecting like 2 months from now to be ready to harvest. As you can see, it's a lot, yes. As you can see, yeah. Hi everyone, now you can see this is the water that we have at our place from the rock. It's coming from Chengai Hills. As you can see, it's clean, you can even take it. I don't know at your place. Drop a comment. And drop a comment. Okay guys, this is our forest. As you can see, yeah, nature. I love nature. As you can see, it's a big forest to us at our place. This is our farm. We have a river, it's over there. Then we have arrowroots that we have planted in our farm. As you can see, this is prayer, this is arrowroots. Then this is our forest today. As you can see, our forest. Then you can see this one. Here we have the river. Is it a river or what do we call it? Name of it, I don't know if it's a river or what it is. It is in our farm. As you can see, the field. As you can see, at the top of the trees, now there, if you can see, I don't know if you can see it clear. Now clear. Okay guys, this is firewood. This is what at our home we want to cook. As you can see, I'm taking so that you can use it